All right, welcome back to Project Zomboid. I did a couple things off camera. I moved all of the bodies that were in the house. I moved them outside a little ways past the fence over there. And I did a little bit of organizing as well. I'll show off a little bit, like the books go to the bookshelf, obviously. There's a shelf over here for the tools. There was already a few things here. And just some other stuff. Food in the fridge, obviously. This I think is where I'm gonna store dried like canned food and whatnot. And remember the sink is like kitchenware. Um, the blood I'm gonna worry about later. I'll find a way to clean that. And yeah, and then I put the M9 in here because there's just no reason to have that on me at the moment. I'm not gonna use it. If I shot that, I would die. Um, it is starting to get late, so I think I'm going to exercise a little bit, and then I'm going to head to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. All right, it is morning, well, 5 a.m., so that's nice. I am getting very hungry, so I have to find something to eat. Maybe some floor cake. Can't think of a better breakfast myself. I will eat a little bit more. We'll just have some cherries. I don't want to eat way too much. Honestly, I probably shouldn't be eating floor cake in general if I want to lose weight, but we'll worry about that later. I do have a couple plans for today. So there is a warehouse over here with some food. So I may go visit there, loot that, and take what I can back. I'd like to find a hammer so that I can remove a couple of these boards, because not being able to use my own door is a little bit irritating. So I can unbarricade it, but I do need to find a hammer or a crowbar to do that. And I need to smoke here, because I'm getting anxious. Alright, I'm going to just fill up on my water and then head out for the day. Hopefully it's not too dark out. Should be. It's fine. I put the bodies over here. Okay. And you know what? I think I'm going to pick up this broken glass, and I'm actually going to move it. Did I just cut my hands up? Yeah, okay. I'm stupid. We will just bandage up my hands, because, yeah, that's an embarrassing moment. I didn't even think about that, honestly. But we do have some paint. I forgot to drop this ammo. Oh well. We do have some painkillers still, so not the end of the world until it is, anyway. Okay, we're going to head on over to. Actually, we'll loot this little house first. We're already here. And after this, there is a warehouse, like I said, over here. And there should be food, and I want to get to it before it all spoils, Ooh, hello. Anything? Oh. Sounds like there is another one inside. In the bathroom. Hello. Imagine being locked in a bathroom for all your death, anyway. Alright, let's see if the house has anything to offer. You know what? I deserve an apple. And I am going to start, since I have a place to live, I will start collecting some cooking supplies, tools and whatnot. Kitchenware, I should call it. I'm above dog food at the moment, but I will take this canned food. I will take a couple comic books and magazines in case I ever get too depressed or bored. And now we're going to go check out that food warehouse. Ooh. Okay. A little bit of a wreck here. Who knows? There might be something useful in the cars. Alright, you're gonna need to die. Jeez. Hello? Alright, anything useful? Ooh, key. This car here. It looks in pretty bad shape. I will start collecting garbage bags because I can use them to make rain collectors eventually, once I get my carpentry in. Ooh, hello. I will take a sack, because I can use those to store seeds in, I believe. Tote bag, I'm not going to worry about it. I could use it for extra storage, but that's okay. I could definitely use a better engine. We'll get a better car eventually, or we could maybe even fix this one. There is a building in the back here, so might as well check it out. I have been lucky before, and there's been generators in this building. Oh, hello. Let's see if I'm lucky today. No luck. But a welder mask. That is incredibly important. Oh. I'm going to... Yeah, I'll take that. All of this is really good stuff, actually. Metal pipe, I'll take that for now as an extra weapon, but I may drop it, or lead pipe. I may drop it if I need the space. Ooh. We're going to just kind of pull the car up a little bit so that I can fill the trunk if need be. Nice. No zombies. Okay. Wow. Look at all of this. I'm definitely going to need to fill the truck. Wow. Very heavy load, and I'm also in pain, so I'll take another painkiller. And yeah, I don't even know if my house and my fridge or anything can handle all of this food. Probably not, but it'd be a shame to just let it all spoil, so. Wow. I need to fix my inventory. This is definitely maybe too much food, actually. it's already, some of it is already going bad. Well, I'll at least loot some of it. I'll probably leave a decent bit just because, well, some of it's already stale. But my fridge, there's no way I can hold everything in here. Even putting most of it in the freezer. I could find another freezer and take it over to my house for extra storage, and I probably will. But for now, most of this food is just going to go bad, and that's okay, because honestly, we could end up just planting a lot of this, making our own garden, growing food anyways, so it's okay. Okay, I think we're just going to head out for now, because I don't want to spend the entire day looting all of this food, and we have enough. We have plenty for now, until the power goes out anyway, and most of it gets rotten. Unless, of course, we manage to get a generator going before the power goes out, but we'll have to see if we find both a generator and the manual that teaches us how to use generators. Now, I was going to go back home and drop this stuff off, but I think I'll hold off, and I'm going to go back into town for a little bit, and we're going to find somewhere else to loot, because I would really like to find a generator in the book that teaches how to use it before the power goes off. It's pretty important. And then also getting our carpentry skill up and building rain catchers before the water goes off. I feel like that is important as well. Wow, there is a lot of zombies on the road. It's a little bit terrifying, actually. There is a lot of buildings here worth looting, but for now, I am mainly interested. Ooh, that's a nice fan right there. I'm mainly interested in. I just need to pay more attention. I'm mainly interested in the bookstore down here. Now, how am I? Here's the bookstore right here. How am I going to deal with this immense amount of zombies? Well, I guess the old-fashioned way. Oh, this is going to be tough. But it kind of needs to be done. Gotta thin the herd out, and I'm not going to be able to do anything in this city without clearing out all of these zombies first. Okay. This is looking like it might end up being another try and lose them maneuver. I don't want to lose them here because this is the big market that I really want to loot, so yeah. I'm going to lead them, I guess, just up and around through the back. Kind of, it's a little risky, but it might work. Alright, they're coming this way. I'm going to sprint now. I need to loot that cop car as well. Right. Hopefully, they're not smart enough to go all the way around and track me back down to here. They might. We'll definitely find out. So far, so good. You need to smoke, so hopefully we can have a little break here. Okay. I'm going to assume that we're okay. And we're going to check this bookstore. Let's see if we find anything interesting. Carpentry level 1. I think we have level 2. Volume 1 metalworking. This is all really good stuff. For now, I'm mostly just going to take the volume 1s of things. And we'll come back if we need to. But the volume 1s are the most important to me at the moment. Farming volume. Fishing level 1, not that important to me at the moment. Alright, kind of a bust. I mean, we got some important skill books later for leveling our skills faster, but no generator book, and not even any magazines that teach us new recipes either. That would have been nice too. But that's okay. Zombie. This is a medical office. It looks like I'll have to break the window to get in. Might. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is stupid. I'm gonna do it. But I never said I was the best player. Or maybe I did and it was sarcasm. Suture needle Holden. Nice. Suture needle. All of this disinfectant is really useful because there is 2 kinds of infections, so you can get your wound infected obviously from a bite, and that's the zombie infection, but your wounds can just they can get infections if you don't clean them, so you can get sick. So having ways to disinfect your wounds is pretty nice and handy. And we've seen how handy painkillers are, so I will be taking those. Antibiotics. More painkillers. I might have enough disinfectant now, but we're going to keep taking some anyway. Beta blockers are important for panic. They reduce your panic, which helps a lot, especially with shooting. So later on, if I do end up getting a gun, then panic makes it so you can't hit basically anything if you're panicked. So beta blockers are really important for helping your aim. Alright, I think we already have more medicine than we'll ever use, but the looter in me just can't stop looking for more. Alright, what kind of doctor has cigarettes in their office, huh? Okay, well, we're done with this building. We have a very large amount of medical supplies that we'll never use 90% of it, hopefully. And my inventory is getting a little... Okay, you guys didn't need to sneak back around. Yeah, I don't want to deal with them right now. There is a few more places I would love to loot. There is a fire station down here. I'm not sure that I'll have the inventory space exactly, but I would like to at least see. There's a police department right here, which definitely would be amazing to loot. And these fire jackets would be great to wear. They'd make me really hot, but I'd like to see a zombie bite through that. So many sitting there. Alright. Ooh. Okay, I just noticed that I'm starting to get tired, which is not good. That will make combat a lot harder. Alright, decisions here. I'm going to head back home for now. I don't want to be tired for this. There's way too many zombies here to fight, and if I'm tired, I'll probably just die. because it will take like twice as long to kill them, and yeah, it's not good. We'll head back home for now, drop our stuff off, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll still have time to go out and loot. I should probably change my bandage as well. That's one important thing. Don't forget to change your bandages because they will get dirty, and if you don't change them, then you will get your wounded. Okay, wow. I can't believe how many zombies are just chilling on the road. I should also say that I know last episode my audio was really quiet, and I tried to fix it. I did some tweaking and adjusted it, raised it. So I hope that it's at least a little bit better. I'm trying to adjust it so that it's not too loud, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get it to the perfect level. Alright, kind of a pain that I can't even go through my front door or my back door. So I have to jump through the window. Alright, so my character is getting very hungry now, but instead of floor cake, I'm gonna help myself to some tomatoes that won't fit in the fridge anyway. I cannot believe how quickly that day went by, and I'm already very tired. Heavy load? What am I even holding? Oh, yeah, I should probably put those away, huh? All right, I think I'm going to call the episode here. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and, comment any kind of suggestions, anything you'd like to see me do. I'm all open ears. I'd love to hear it. And hopefully the audio in this episode is a little bit better. I might still need some testing. And hopefully by the third episode, it's perfect. Here's hoping. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.